How on earth can you possibly get more flexibility? I am going to teach you 5 tricks that you can use to get better flexibility. Stick with me to the end to find out the number 1 tip. All right, my lovelies, we're going to start off with number 5. You can use a therapy ball. You can take this and press your weight into it. So essentially, you can take it in order to get better flexibility with your calf. You can just lift up and roll on it. Might not feel the best, but it'll break up the fascia. The fascia is the coating that goes around the muscles, and it gets sticky, and it can stick together over time and make it so that your quadricep is just one big giant muscle instead of several working together in conjunction. Number 4, use heat. Warm your muscles up by taking a shower or a bath before you do any kind of stretching, if that's possible. Number 3, you can use a therapy gun. You can find these online. I hear they're at Costco as well. Just take it and start pressing it into your muscle and slowly apply more pressure. Move it all along the muscle. This will help break up the fascia as well. Number 2, you can schedule a deep tissue massage or a Rolfing appointment. This is a system that was created by a woman named Ida Rolf. And basically what that does is it gets your spine integrated. It can help you to get everything in place so that you have better posture. But the way that it works is you go see a Rolfing practitioner, and they apply quite a lot of pressure to your muscles, and that helps your body release any tension that it's holding on to. Deep tissue massages are also a good way to release tension that you're carrying in your muscles. And the number 1 thing that you can do is have a consistent yoga practice. It's better to do yoga for 15 minutes a day, 5 days a week, than to go to a 60-minute yoga class once a week. So there are your 5 tips and tricks to getting better flexibility. I hope you love this video. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment below. Let me know if you think my cat's cute and which trick you're going to use to get better flexibility. Check me out on Instagram, and you can check out my website as well. The website's in the comments. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.